Hey guys, Retired Fishing Guy here. It's the first week in August and it's 73 degrees. Unbelievable. It's very cloudy, light sprinkle. Should make for a great day of fishing. We've got a couple of topwaters tied on, Texas rig, drop shot, shaky head, one hard bait. But anyway, it should make for a great day on the water. I suspect we may catch a catfish or two in the rocks. But anyway, it should make a great day of fishing. I went last month, first week in July, I caught 22. 6 being 17, 18 inches. The rest were fairly small. Hopefully today we can catch some over 18 inches. Anyway, I'm looking forward to it. We will see you on the water in a few minutes. Bye. Fish on. He just hit a frog. He feels pretty good. He's a monster. Holy shucks. Oh man, that's a nice bass. Holy cow. Wow. Look at that guy. Whoo. Oh. Woo. Man. This guy on a black frog. It's raining. Nice bass. Woo. Fella. Just want to see how long you are and I'll let you go. Woo, looky there. 23.5 inches. Woo! Nice bass. Woo! Man. Oh, that's what makes it worth it right there. I mean, he hit this black frog. I had a white one on, and I ended up putting a black one on with these dark clouds and raining. I think that was a good call. Woo. Man, I mean 10 foot from the kayak. He hit it hard. Finally caught a drop shot fish. See what this guy is. Here he comes. Oh. Come here, guy. Oh. You're a pretty boy. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Ooh, skydiver. Guys, I tried everything. Plastic worm. I mean, everything. Even the drop shot didn't catch him. So started throwing this Berkeley square bill. Caught one on about the 5th cast. Not a bad fish. Thanks, buddy. 2 months ago I caught a 7-1 here on this same bait.